Okay, do excuse the fan. That's probably really loud, and any crickets or thing or anything that you may hear outside. But this is essentially it. So I realized, which is what I should have done a long time ago. It's not the regular truss physics that we actually used before. It's the solid mechanics. I used that only once, so I never actually thought about using it or trying it again as compared to the truss. But in the solid mechanics, I have the option to choose the thickness. So what I did, I went into the geometry. I imported the shape without the circles, because I realized if I did it with the circles imported, then I was getting an error still. So what I did, I imported the entire shape without the circles. For instance, if I were to bring this over and I were to delete that and delete that, right, so I did it like this. I imported it this way. So after doing that, I added the circles in the approximate correct positions, and I use a difference method to subtract them out of the actual solid. So I'll get the actual circular spaces there. So after doing that, I went to solid mechanics instead of truss, and I added the thickness, really simple, and then I added the point loads here, 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 and the fixed constraint, which is here. I could have only, I only needed to add like one, but I decided to, add, choose all four. After doing that, I then meshed. I selected free triangular. I guess I could have gone with a bit more defined thing, and I click on study, compute, and I got my result. So this is the result, I believe, of the simulation. If I wanted to, I believe I could set the determine the maximum and minimum stress values somewhere. I'll figure it out, but that is essentially it. So yeah, that is it. That's all, and yeah, that is all. So the next thing is just to move on to the next question. I'm guessing this is the correct one, of course. I believe it is. I believe it is, yes. Color legend, so maximum minimum. So right here. Okay, I guess I don't have to choose that. So they're showing the maximum minimum values, which is 3.5 by 10 to the 9, which is the stress value, and the deformation. So yeah, I guess that's it. So I guess you can move on from this, and yeah. Anyway, take care.